Hi, my name is Samuel Arminana. I'm a student at North Fort Myers High School. I'm a self-taught programmer who began programming at 11 years old on Minecraft mods and moved on to video games. What inspired me to make protests is watching television and seeing protests and the influence that they have, specifically the Dakota Access Pipeline protest and Black Lives Matter protests. Protest is a social network for mobile devices that allows organizations and individuals to organize and contribute to protests that are happening or upcoming in their community. The app allows for organizations to easily communicate and convey information about issues that may impact the community. The app allows for individuals to connect with other people who share the same interests, empowering them to make positive changes inside their city. Protest provides a clean, safe, and organized platform for people to share, find, and contribute to protests that are in their community. The app is made to make it easier to find information about protests and communicate with others. Using the GPS tracking location, we are able to find the nearest protest to the user and present them in a clean and elegant user interface. Protest is a brand new service designed to specifically accommodate users and present protests that the user may find interest in and that are closest to them. Protest is targeted to hit the mobile market, specifically iOS and Android devices. The United States is the geographical scope, however localization can allow the app to move to more countries and languages. The younger generation is targeted, specifically 18 to 30-year-olds, male, female, and racial minorities. The target audience is difficult to estimate. In 2004, a March for Women's Lives took place in Washington, D.C., which has gathered upwards of 800,000 people. Black Lives Matter organizations has had 1,885 protests in the last 915 days. Protest backend was created using ASP.NET and is hosted through Microsoft Azure, leveraging storage account services, web application service, SQL database and server, and the recovery services vault. Azure has given Protest a competitive edge in terms of performance and reliability. The backend leverages other services such as Google Maps geolocation to search for and generate an exact location for protests. Google Time Zone API is used as well to generate an accurate and local time for protesters and protests. Protest was made using the Unity game engine. While this is definitely not a video game, the engine's reliability and simple interface has allowed me to quickly develop and design the app and stay within the range of the deadline. The user experience is perhaps the most important thing to any designer and developer. It is why I'm doing what I'm doing. Protest was designed in the front end and the back end with the end user in mind. It has a simple, intuitive user interface so that the user can feel at home and comfortable while communicating and connecting with others. Protest is a new and unique product that focuses all its resources specifically on protests. The monetization plan for the app is to take a small percentage from protests, monetary contributions, and allow advertisers to pay for targeted advertisements toward users. The plan to bring the project to market is to get protest organizers to implement the app into their organization and bring their followers into the application. In addition to having organizers advertise the app, I will also create flyers and cards and hand them out during protests.